going? You're gonna make my thing.
No.
Wait, shut up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my two brothers, Tonto 1 and Tonto 2. Wait, what's your name?
Justin.
And what we're gonna be doing today is the siblings do my makeup challenge. So he's gonna be doing half of my face and he's gonna be doing the other half. And whoever has the best side is the winner. And the loser has to drink a smoothie that the other person made. Let's get into the video. Hello everybody. Oh my god.
I really look like a clown.
Keep in mind, these two don't even know what they're doing. They don't even know what most of these things are
Obviously,
for.
this is
Big lipstick?
Lipstick.
Guys, please tell me you're kidding. Start!
No, what are you doing, kid?
Foundation goes first.
It's like a massage.
He's copying me. I don't know. What did you put?
I put
What
on
is
this
that?
one.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, you don't even know what you're doing. Please your hair's in the way.
Remove it.
Okay, but I've had girlfriends before, and I think this is what they do.
Ooh.
Just kidding, guys.
Wait, did
Okay, but not that one. Not like a clown. Just like,
yeah, this little stuff.
yeah, I don't know.
Wait, we need nothing. Give me nothing now.
Although you don't know what this is for.
Yes, I know. Justin, I just see you. They wanna.
What is this? Can you tell us what it is? Can you tell the camera?
No, I can't
What is
tell
this?
you. What do you
is
think
this,
that
guys?
is?
What the?
You have
Anesthesia.
21 minutes on the clock.
You see, I
Shut
don't
up
even know
on the
what
clock.
this is.
What is this? Why is this broken?
It's getting broken.
This
What's
is broken.
No, it's like that.
Like that.
No, no.
Two-faced.
That's me.
Two-faced.
Okay.
All I know is you're gonna drink mustard.
All I know is you're gonna drink that expired ranch we have.
Oh no, I threw it away already. That expired ranch.
Bitch. Alright, I was gonna go easy on you, but never mind.
Things just got real, guys.
What is that? What? You have to let him do it. Why are you back?
Stop. It was only meant to be this, right? Gracie, Justin, you're moving her face.
Okay, hold on. I messed up on the freaking
Listen, you messed up. Look at what you did to me.
How do I take
Let me.
Let's add some little highlights. I think this is highlight. What do you think, guys? Actual guys. Look at this. Is that highlight? That's not highlight. That shit looks like dirt. Oh, you're gonna eat a fucking mustard smoothie.
No,
Alright,
is this for the eyes? Yeah.
I did a dark, I did a dark feature.
Oh no, this is for this. No, this is for that. Wait, look, mine looks way better from camera at least.
Shit is doo-doo. Shit is wacky.
No, you have no eyebrows.
Okay.
Wait, Justin, how? How do you do that?
What do you mean how? Don't worry about it, blood.
You use this.
Alright, anyways.
Hopefully this is. Oh no, I should have done dark to light, or I don't know.
Although, I think that's lip gloss.
Like this.
Oh, you're eating mustard. You're drinking mustard. There you go. Wait, look at the camera.
Okay, I'm going to tell y'all what y'all were using wrong.
Okay.
Aldo, first of all, this is lip liner and he used it under my eye. Second of all, I think, did you use this in my eyes? This was
Yes, you
lipstick.
use that in your...
Wait, let me see that.
This was,
highlight.
no, this is eyeshadows.
Oh! No wonder that should be like
I used it on your eyeballs. I think.
Oh my god.
And then,
She's on-
this is mascara. I think y'all use this, right?
Wait, what's
I
that?
used it right there.
This was highlight.
I knew
told
it.
you!
And they put it all over my...
Did I use this way?
Yeah, you
That's
this.
so cool. I think it looks so amazing. If Justin wasn't going, and you need to go tell my mom. My mom should rate it.
Okay, yeah, let's ask my mom. Hold on. So this is Aldo's side.
Looks amazing.
Tell me what you guys think of Aldo's side. And then this was Justin's side.
So basic and black. Basically, you can look at my hair. You can see it right there. Look at his lipstick. That's way off and disgusting. My lipstick looks
You put
better.
fucking highlight in her lip. So.
And it looks good.
Okay, let's go ask my mom's opinion. ¿Cuál lado crees que está más mejor? A ver, bájale.
Pues los dos están bonitos.
Pero ¿cuál lado
Shut
crees?
up, she is lying. She said both sides.
Este se ve más bien.
No, pero
Yeah! In your face! Oh! In your
Mira, puso eyeliner. No puso eyeliner.
Ya, pues nomás, pero...
And look how beautiful the
Buddy,
lipstick is.
mustard.
Look at that. ¿Te gusta ese lipstick?
Ajá, ese sí, o sea, el lipstick vaya, aquel color. Me gusta este lipstick.
Mom,
Is
shut up,
it?
just because that's other side.
Okay, you guys, so it looks
Mom, shut up!
like...
Both do not look good. You know mine is bad.
Yeah, you did put liner. I do like the liner.
From afar, it looks great.
Mom, mine, oh my god, mine looks like
Garbage.
Drum roll, please.
Let's go! Rate it, what are you talking about?
Okay, so yeah, so although I do like the eyeliner that you put, and my eyebrows do look good. The foundation is a little much.
Much?
Yeah, you put a lot of foundation. And then I never put eyeliner under my eyes. I don't know where you got that idea from. That I never.
You used to do it when
I used to when I was in high school.
Exactly.
The highlight, this is highlight on my lips, but it doesn't look too bad.
Exactly. It looks good, right? Just
mean-
say
Yeah,
Justin
that's
wasn't
a
going
trend.
messing me up.
And then, so overall, I would rate it,
One.
It's not even.
I'll give it a 6. And Justin,
Justin's gay little wacky side.
the foundation isn't too bad. This side is
so
too
much.
white. This side is, I think it's okay. You just didn't blend it with, like,
Yeah,
my
man, it's gay.
neck.
I should have done it, it probably would have came out way better.
No, it's because you were little. I was trying to put it right, and
Okay,
then
from afar, what do you guys think?
meanwhile, you're going. Meanwhile, Justin, you're going.
And look at the eyeshadow, like, so out of place. Like,
And look at your lipstick. What is that? It doesn't even go all the way to.
because she had her lips closed and then it would get orange.
She had her lips closed.
That's why.
Okay,
That's why
yeah. I'm sorry, I love it.
you wanna
You
eat
see, when
monster.
I throw up, I'm gonna throw up in your face.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Aldo, are you ready? Okay. And
Wait, Justin.
you have to go away for Justin to do it. All right, what do y'all think?
I'm still the fridge.
Oh wait, we need to do a thumbnail. I forgot.
Shoot a thumbnail.
Don't do it too nasty. Do it so that because he will literally throw up. He would. One time he threw up while we were playing Bamboozled. He actually gagged with the dog food. I think it was a dog food jelly bean, and he gagged and almost threw up. It was disgusting. So.
Where should go first?
Are our ingredients. Or his ingredients, not mine.
This cottage cheese, but it's like flavored. Egg for what? Calcium or protein?
Good source of protein. Not supposed to be a good
Throw
one.
some blueberries
He
in there.
lost. But if it was me.
Ice cream. This is a progress.
Throw it inside.
Should you put a tomato and mustard?
So root beer float.
Root beer float. Tomato. What's the nastier, tomato or mustard? Mustard is disgusting.
Yeah. It's gross. Listen.
He's gonna love this. This is how we call it, brother. It's ready.
Oh, ice cream! Oh!
Yeah, ice cream. Your
Can I smell it?
favorite.
Can I smell it?
No.
Just drink it.
Shots.
No.
He's gonna throw up one.
No, he's not. He's not gonna throw up. He's not even that bad.
Hurry up.
Not that bad. We didn't kill you.
Okay, shut up.
No, it's not bad.
Not that bad.
What is that black stuff in there?
What black stuff?
Look, what is that? What is that?
That's dirt.
Hurry up.
Come on, Harry. What is that? It's not expired or anything. Like
Yeah,
you said.
nothing is expired. Nothing's that. I
I
know
think
it's
come
not
on.
drinking.
He's already gagging.
Why would you do that? Oh my god.
How did you spit it out? Oh my god.
I drank some.
No, that's a thumbnail.
Oh my god. Aldo.
It is when I was trying to swallow it, it couldn't speak.
Egg.
An egg.
Mustard. An egg. Wait, you gotta try
Oh,
it again.
spinach.
Try it again.
I can do it again. No, whoa.
Oh shit.
No.
Just taste
How do you say it?
it. I should have made it more nastier.
Yeah, that's it. I was gonna kill you.
I don't know. I should.
Yeah, we were going easy on you.
Yeah, we actually went easy.
Listen, I was gonna kill
I told you, Vissy, we should kill him. Should put tomatoes and mustard.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a comment, like. What do you guys think about this challenge? What do y'all think about the smoothie? I feel like he went a little easy on him. Who do you think, whose side do you think was better? Aldo's or Justin's? Comment down below. Who you guys think was the winner? I'll see you guys in the next one.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys.
So,
Starring Priscilla.
how do I do it?
Best.
Right. It's pretty good.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. Today I am just making smoothie. Oh, I don't drink Coke.
Justin,
Do it for the fans.
Yeah.
Cause
Ew, that's
bro, he's actually not that bad.
I'm not trying.
There's a mustard in there.
sometimes you always have to go.
And yeah, so what do I always say at the end?
What up, Ace Family?
Oh.
Oh.